हाल फिलहाल में मेरे कई सारे ऐसे दोस्त और जान पहचान वाले लोग हैं जो कनाडा छोड़कर जाने लगे हैं। क्यों? इन सबको जाते हुए देखकर वी ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग कि कनाडा में लॉन्ग टर्म में रहने में फ़ायदा है या नुकसान? तो मैंने सोचा कि इस बात पर रिसर्च करना तो ज़रूरी है। रिसर्च करने पर मुझे कई सारी ऐसी चीज़ें पता चली जो हमने खुद फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस की है। मेरे रिसर्च के हिसाब से कनाडा की इकोनॉमिक सिचुएशन पैंडेमिक के बाद बहुत ही ज़्यादा बिगड़ चुकी है। बट बिफोर पैंडेमिक दिस कंट्री वाज अ लैंड ऑफ ड्रीम्स। इनफैक्ट मुझे जो डेटा कनेडियन स्टैटिस्टिक्स की वेबसाइट पे मिला दैट proves exactly how badly the Canadian economy was affected after pandemic. So without wasting any more time, जल्दी से पता करते कि लोग आखिर कनाडा छोड़कर क्यों जा रहे हैं। Now, remember that everything that I'm going to say in this video is absolutely true, but I need you to watch this video to the end to learn the complete truth. This is the harsh truth that hit us right in the face as soon as we landed. हर एम्प्लॉयर को ऐसे एम्प्लॉयज चाहिए है जिनके पास कनेडियन एक्सपीरियंस हो. Like, that's not even logical, but it's true. There are very few such employers who are willing to actually hire the newcomers. हमारे कई सारे ऐसे friends हैं who are tech experts, who are engineers, or they fall into this highly skilled category, but have been jobless from the time they've landed in the country. Eventually, ran out of their savings and landed up taking these low paying jobs, like working at Walmart or cleaning the snow on the streets in winters. ऐसे सारे काम. Now, I'm not looking down upon these job roles. I'm not saying anything against it. But the thing is that for someone who has always worked in an MNC and have earned really good salaries, and then when they have to land up doing these small time and small paying jobs, it can really, really demotivate you. अब ऑफ कोर्स जॉब मार्केट की सिचुएशन ही इतनी खराब है तो इट डायरेक्टली अफेक्ट्स द लेवल ऑफ अफोर्डेबिलिटी. In addition to that, pandemic has a huge role to play in the increase in the cost of living. As per the statcan.gc website, कनाडा में जो अपार्टमेंट 2019 में 1300 के आसपास मिलता था, वही अपार्टमेंट 2003 के फर्स्ट क्वार्टर में अराउंड 2100 के आसपास हो चुका था. And we landed just that time. These prices that I've just mentioned, they're just the averages. The actual prices are way more higher than what I've just mentioned. But right now, that is 2025 के first quarter में, the rent for a two-bedroom apartment is around 2,500 Canadian dollars. I've heard from people talking around that the rents have started coming down, but the situation is still equally bad for everyone. I can testify for this because the year we moved in, that was in 2022 October or almost end of 2022, the rent that we were paying was $1,600 for a one bedroom apartment. And during the renewal, which was in 2023 October, that time the asking price was $1,900. And right now, we are living in a one bedroom apartment. We moved from our previous apartment to this apartment, and right now we are paying $1,700. So I guess yes, the rents are coming down, but they are still not that great. Apart from rents, whenever I take an Uber to go anywhere, I always end up having a chat with the drivers. And every driver coincidentally tells me the same thing about all the expenses they have experienced in this country. Like back in the days before pandemic, घर की ग्रोसरीज महीने भर की आ जाती थी $600-700 में मैक्सिमम. बट इन टुडेज डेट इवन $1,500 आर लेस. इस कंट्री में कई सारे लोग आइसोलेटेड फील करते हैं, स्पेशली इफ यू कम फ्रॉम अ कंट्री वेयर यू यूज्ड टू बीइंग सराउंडेड बाय योर फ्रेंड्स, योर फैमिली. रोज बाहर जाकर अपने दोस्तों से मिलना, मटर गश्ती करना, ये सारी चीज़ें करना पसंद होगा, तो आई एम सॉरी बट you are going to feel lonely over here because 6 months of the year it's snowing and you cannot go out much and you are going to be home locked. Lack of support system also plays a huge role in having a relaxed life. अगर आपकी remote job है तो that is going to add to all of your isolation. All of this definitely affects your mental health as well. बाहर जाना, लोगों से मिलना, चार बातें करना, these are the things that make us human. You have to find something to keep yourself occupied to make sure this akelapan does not get to you. Let's talk about the harsh winters. Bhai, winters are very, very harsh over here. I'm not even joking. Although it looks really beautiful when it's snowing outside, but this beautiful snow can give you really severe frostbites. Luckily for us in Calgary, we have sun all throughout the year. And that was one of the main reasons for us to come to Calgary. I will try and see if I find some videos of me when I used to go to work. I used to have ice all over my eyelashes. It used to be that cold. You cannot bear to expose even the slightest part of your skin in this harsh winter. So, if you are someone who cannot bear cold, think twice before coming to this country. Level of comfort back home. Yeah, when you move countries, one has to have very strong mindset and be ready to accept the challenges and the lifestyle of the country that you're moving to. One of the biggest challenges that people over here experience is the comfort of having a house help. It is very expensive to afford a house help over here. जहाँ तुम जॉब ढूंढने में और रेंट अफोर्ड करने में स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो, वहाँ तुम हाउस हेल्प कैसे अफोर्ड करोगे? And believe me, it is actually very expensive to have a house help in a country like this. Last but not the least, resettling. इसके लिए ना इंसान को बहुत ही ब्रेव होना जरूरी है। रीस्टार्टिंग लाइफ वंस अगेन इज नॉट एवरीवन्स कप ऑफ टी। इसके लिए बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, बहुत रखड़ना पड़ता है। इफ यू ऑलरेडी मूव्ड हियर विदाउट थिंकिंग अबाउट दिस, माय फ्रेंड, विद जेन्युइन एडवाइस, you have a bumpy ride ahead. Now, to conclude this video, all of this is true, but let me tell you something. This is not just the truth about Canada. This is how you will struggle every time you move to a new country. You will find issues looking for a job. You will find issues finding a place. You will have to start off with a small time, low paying job. You will struggle with your expenses. You will face issues finding a decent place to stay. You will miss all the comfort you've had back home. Your friends, your family, seeing them less frequently than you did before. Restarting your life is not for the weak hearted. Remember that it takes time to build a life. वही अपार्टमेंट 2023 के फर्स्ट क्वार्टर में बाबू मुझे पूरा स्क्रिप्ट फाड़ लिया, नको ना असं करू.